Hi guys, oh my god, what is happening? I'm matching with the sofa. Why? ऐसी weird realizations होती है ना कैमरा ऑन होते ही. But anyway, if you guys are not able to see me because मैं camouflage हो रही हूँ थोड़ा बहुत, तो keep listening to my voice because today's video is way too important. I always keep talking about blogging and other different careers with which you can make money, but I never talk about Instagram, and I don't know why, because after blogging, Instagram was the only platform through which I earned enough money to sort of sustain myself right now. So in this video, I'm gonna cover and talk about Instagram, how you can make money on Instagram, because that is the basic question which I get asked a lot. And I'm also gonna be sharing my experience, which might help you not make the same mistakes which I made. I kind of learned from that, so I wanna share that with you guys. So let's get started now. Alright, so first let's talk about numbers. We always keep hearing from people around us that if you have certain amount of followers on Instagram, then only you will start getting brand collaborations. But that is not entirely true, because talking from my personal experience, I started getting brand collaborations when I had 1,000 followers. And at the same time, I am not denying the fact that followers and numbers are not important, but that comes way too baad mein, because initially if you keep thinking about numbers and followers, you will not be able to put up the work at the very first place, which is a very basic thing if you want to get into this Instagram business. But what I'm trying to say is that even if you have just started out, don't worry, brands will still reach you, because that's the same thing happened with me as well when I had 1,000 followers, because they always keep looking for people, real people to grow together with. For example, when I had 1,000 followers, I used to charge 500 to 1,000 rupees, and sometimes I also used to work in barter collaboration, which means that they will give you the product, and in return you will do your service with a post or a story. And even today I do barter collaboration sometimes, because it's always good to help other small businesses to grow with you. That's amazing. Also guys, the lighting is keep changing because there are too many clouds in the skies right now, so bear with me. And even after putting so much of your hard work on Instagram, if you see that brands are still not been able to get in touch with you, it's okay, because there are so many people on the internet. Okay, so what you can do is, and I did the same thing. So earlier I had prepared this long of mail in which it was written, my name is Sonia Garg, I'm from Her Vagabond Life blog, I have this many followers, this is my work, and if you like it, let's work together sometime. Why not? Let's grow together. Let's create an amazing content together. There were times when I didn't get any response from brands, but there were so many times when brands actually got in touch with me because of the mail I sent them, and we worked together. Alright guys, so now let's talk about content, because if we will not put any content on Instagram, we're not gonna make any money, right? Also, I'm gonna be talking about how much I'm making and how much I charge per post and everything later on is point के बाद, and if you want to skip to that part you can. But if you will not understand how that happened and my process and experience, I don't think so you will be able to do the same thing. If you're lucky, then okay, and if you want to skip to that part, it's okay, choice is all yours. So now let's talk about content now. There's a lot of confusion about what to actually post on Instagram. To be very honest, if you want to work with a certain brand, for example, if you want to work with a beauty brand, start posting videos and posts around makeup. If you don't know how to do makeup, you can learn from the internet, because not every blogger did a course on makeup. They all learn eventually, and you can do the same thing. Also, you guys must have heard of reels, must have seen one by this time now, because those are way too popular on Instagram, and I would highly recommend you guys to start making reels right now, because the Instagram's algorithm for reels is just amazing. I mean, even if you have 0 followers, they promote you in a certain way. You will get many views and you will get a very good reach. I'll give you an example. Wait. So this is this account which I just stumbled across in the morning while I was just scrolling through the Instagram. So this is the account's name, Vanchita_Thapar. Hi Vanchita. I mean, I know that you are not watching my video, but anyway, hi. So I just stumbled across her Instagram because of the reel which I saw. It's this one. And just look at the number, the views, 5.1 million views, and she has 2977 followers. I mean, how cool is that? It just shows that you do not have to have certain number of followers and you will still get amazing reach. You just have to keep doing what you're doing. And finally, there comes the point where we're gonna talk about how much Sonia earns, how much her vagabond life earns, how much she makes on the Instagram. क्या इसकी शादी हो पाएगी? क्या इसके लिए रिश्ते आएंगे? आइए जानते हैं. Sometimes I tend to get a little extra, which I think is okay because let's just have fun while making video. So right now I have 52 to 53,000 followers on Instagram, and if you have not been following me there, do that, duh. Okay, so for per post I charge between 15 to 25,000 rupees, considering if it's a photo post or a video post, and for per story I charge rupees 10,000, and for reels I am exploring that part a little bit. So for right now I'm charging 15,000, but considering the reach is amazing, brands, I'm coming for you. Wait for me. You don't have to follow the exact number even if you have same amount of followers which I have right now, because this number hasn't been decided by Instagram or any set of bloggers. This is something which is my own and I ask for the content I'm creating, the quality of work which I'm providing to the brands I work with. Deciding how much to charge really comes with your own experience, because there was this phase in my life when I had 30,000 followers on Instagram and I used to charge 3,000 to 4,000 rupees per post, and then I realized the amount of work I'm putting in my content, the quality I'm creating, I'm going outside, I'm reshooting, and so many other different things which goes behind the scenes which no one really sees on Instagram. And then I started charging double the amount and brands accepted it because I did not change the quality of my content because I was getting more money, you know. I actually improved myself even more, I worked even harder, and now everything is fine. Having said all these things, but there's still one thing which comes to your mind a lot, which is blogging is such a big thing. You need to have a professional photographer, a studio, a whole team. Basically, you have to be rich to be a blogger. To be very honest, no, you don't need that. I started by my own self with a LETV smartphone. 10,000 का smartphone था and वो अब आता भी नहीं है market में. My mom used to help me. She used to take my photos. She used to help me with my videos, and eventually I learned how to take my own photos and shoot my own videos. I improved my skills. I learned from the internet. I learned from the YouTube, and I'm doing great. 99% of my photos and videos are clicked from mobile phone. I have even done few ad films for which I use my mobile phone, and 1% is when a brand has invited me over for a shoot, and if I have posted that picture on my Instagram, that is because they have clicked that for me, and obviously they use high quality cameras. But anyway, why using mobile phone is because smartphones these days have enough capacity to shoot and film any high quality videos and photos to be put online, and that just works great for, you know, content creators like us. I mean, obviously I upgraded myself later on बाद में अब जाके, but eventually I didn't ask my parents that invest this much money in my blog work because I have to get these many equipments to start my blog. No, that didn't happen. All of the things and the equipment which I'm using right now, those I was able to get for myself because of the work I was doing. So yeah, I think the only limit we have is the limit we put on ourselves. Like if you really look around yourself now, no one is really stopping you. It's all just inside your head. So let's just get up and start working because it's really high time, guys. I just wanted to be as transparent as I could be to you guys, because when I started out, there was no one to tell these things to me, and I can understand if you are someone who want to get into this career, there are certain things which you would want to know, and I just wanted to be as helpful as I can from my side. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you want to know anything else, leave your questions in comments down below and I'll try to answer as many as them. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Also follow me on Instagram. Bye.